This is the FSD driving on the Tesla Cybertruck that I am supervising. My Tesla driving on the freeway. And so far, I must say, my supervisory report is pretty good. It does come up with that apply to steering wheel, slight force. But other than that, it's done all this by itself, from regular roads to highways. Has a great feel to it. Does the turn signals when it's supposed to, and this is in standard mode. So this sees the speed limit at 65, and as it goes different speeds. Apply slight force to steering wheel, it says all the time. But that's just so it knows that you're paying attention. And there we go to blink, and it shows the mirror. And here we go. Please pay attention to the road. Tesla says, please pay attention to the road. You are on full supervised driving. Latest update. Cruising down the road. And it does really well. It picks up everything all around you. Tells you where you're going, where you've been, how long it'll take to get there, what percentage of battery you'll have when you get there. This is on standard mode, so it does go about 5 miles above the speed limit. And here we go. We're on our way, and no input from me. All I have to do is give it a slight steering wheel when it detects that I'm not paying attention. So if I keep my head forward and look at the road, then it's okay with that. But as soon as you take your eyes off it, look at a phone, do something else, then that's when it says, please move the steering wheel slightly. And this is the new update, latest update from Tesla on the full supervised driving, and it does rather well. This is the 2024 Tesla Cybertruck, the Foundation series. And there I went, not paying attention again. Amazing little truck, man. Amazing big truck. It's awesome. Changes lanes just as it should. Shows you your blind spots if anybody's there. Pretty amazing. This is the future, folks. This is the future. This is the future to stop our crazy and outrageous fatality rate on the roads. This is the future to get you from point A to point B. This is amazing. I am interested to see how this handles interchanges. So as we're coming up to this interchange from a 215 freeway here in Las Vegas to go out to the I-11, 93, 95 for Boulder City, I wonder how it'll handle it. Again, no input from me. And
now take exit 1 on the right.
Obviously, it's giving me directions. I guess it's giving directions to itself.
In 500 feet, take the US 95 south ramp on the right toward Boulder City. Now take the US 95 south ramp on the right.
I agree with Elon that all companies should buy Tesla FSD from him. Big old curb, big old barrier wall. It wants me to apply slight to the steering wheel because it says that I'm not paying attention. There we go, and we're here. Nice interchange, nice spacing. Tesla, you're amazing. Good work. Again, this handles most things pretty well, and it gets you to where you're going. There's another fellow Teslian.
In 1 mile, turn right onto Buchanan Boulevard, then turn right.
But I wanted to show you what it does when you get to your destination is... Oh, man, I wasn't paying attention. Apply slight force to steering wheel. Because once you get to your destination, then obviously it kind of does its thing and completes a full self-driving mode and leaves it for you to just do your thing. Handles all these roads, whether curvy or windy or anything, with ease. Feels good. Apply slot Forester steering wheel. Nice, smooth, comfortable ride. Not noisy. Pretty amazing. Here we are. So this is as soon as you get to your destination that it will just give up and say, all right, I got
Now
you
turn
here.
right.
You're here. Now what? Pretty wild.
Now turn left.
I do wish that when navigation was active and FSD was active that they did it all themselves and stopped talking to themselves, but it's neither here nor there, I guess. I guess we all talk to ourselves when we're driving.
Now turn right.
Right, I'm going to take control because there's no people over here, so this is where I'm going. All right, and amazing, you take back control just like that, and here we go.
I can't believe I'm doing this. Okay, set ship coordinates for Bucky Quantos. It's time to pay our old friend Krill a visit. This place
See
is
how it does
called
a U-turn.
roughest,
Go.
toughest mercenary.
Okay, you're gonna have to go U-turn faster. There you go. Not bad. Oh, blast off. And did well. So here I am with my first supercharge for my Tesla Cybertruck. And it is free supercharging for life with this thing. And sure enough, pull up and plug in and ready to go. I will say, owning a Kia EV9, that they charge quite a bit faster than these. This took about 40 minutes to charge from about 32 to 31% all the way up to 80%. And I will say that the Kia EV9 has faster charging capacity. That one I'm able to plug in with 10 to 15%, and within 24 minutes it's about 70 to 80%. So a little bit of work to do there, but thanks for the free supercharge, and thanks for letting me watch amazing theater stuff on this Cybertruck as it's charging.